Windows 11 just got an update that asks for admin permission to open storage settings. Sounds secure, right? But here's the problem, this same update breaks temporary files cleanup for some important system files. Let's break down what's happening in Windows 11 KB5074105 and what you should know before installing it. After installing KB5074105, Windows now shows a user account control prompt when you open storage settings. Microsoft says this is intentional. The idea is simple, only administrators should be able to access protected system files and storage locations. Here's where things go wrong. Even after approving admin access, the temporary files section no longer shows options like Windows Update Cleanup, device drivers, or other system files. Normally, temporary files can clean up Windows Update leftovers. But after KB5074105, those options are missing, which means you can't free up that space using settings anymore. The good news? Disk Cleanup still works perfectly. When you run Disk Cleanup as administrator, it correctly detects Windows Update Cleanup and other system files. The temporary files page now runs in a non-elevated context, even though storage itself asks for admin permission. So Windows hides cleanup options it can't safely access, while Disk Cleanup, which runs elevated, can still see and delete them. If you don't install KB5074105, or uninstall it, temporary files works normally and shows Windows Update Cleanup again. This update also introduces cross-device resume. For example, you can pause Spotify on your phone and instantly resume it from the Windows taskbar. Unfortunately, iPhones don't support this feature due to Apple's restrictions. Microsoft also says Smart App Control can now be turned on or off without reinstalling Windows. But in real-world testing, the toggle still doesn't appear for everyone, even after force enabling it. So, do you have the broken temporary files cleanup issue after installing KB5074105? Is Smart App Control missing on your system? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Windows 11 updates.